Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. It's been one of those weeks where it's just been totally crazy and I haven't even had a chance to film my first week of May, grocery hauls and menu plan. So I'm going to do it in the car because this is where I am and I have a couple minutes. And again, this week I did not get a chance to film it at the beginning of the week. I did write it out and I'm going to show you what I have planned for and of course show you how I did. Please excuse the shadows. I have Sunday barbecue, Monday empanadas, because what I was planning is I had leftover taco meat and I had empanadas in the freezer and I was looking for something easy. Tuesday out, Wednesday baked potatoes, on Thursday steak, Friday leftovers, Saturday pizza. And I wanted to buy pears, mangoes, carrots, ginger. We get carrots and apples almost every week, but that's it for the groceries. And of course I needed to make a soup. I went to Publix and picked up 3 mangoes, 4 pears, 2 Bartlett and 2 of the red, and these are hard as a rock, so I'm hoping they will ripen. Some pretzel bread, and this is for the freezer because I'm going to need to make sandwiches here in a little bit and want to have it on hand for when I need to do that. Some Kalamata olives, some of this Greek dressing, which is clean. And what I mean by clean is I check it on the Bobby approved app. So, and it tells you if there's any bad ingredients in it. So we're going to use this, some feta cheese, and I went to the grocery store hungry. So these little Boston cream mini yeast donuts. I ate one on the way home. There's one missing down there. And 2 guava pastries. And that is my haul from Publix. I spent $45.23. It was pricey. We went to Costco and picked up mangoes, green apples, and 2 packages of celery. What I spent at Costco was $32.06. We also had another stop at Publix for carrots and ginger and celery, which I did not film, and it came to $20.21. Dinner tonight is Greek style farro bowls that I am assembling with different ingredients and a yogurt sauce that I have made for the top. Tonight for dinner we are going to clean out the refrigerator. So I pulled out most everything that is in there right now and we are going to throw it all together for whatever it is we're going to eat. Dinner tonight is cleaning out the refrigerator. My son wanted some empanadas. I didn't show this, but I made some with leftover taco meat, and he wants chips and salsa. I threw in some cucumber and peppers there. My husband is having one of these Greek-style bowls that I put together with just a bunch of stuff, and I made like a yogurt sauce. So here's mine, smaller portion, because the bottom of the bowl is farro and it's very, very filling. So mine's a much smaller portion. So this is dinner, our attempt to clean out the refrigerator. I didn't go through nearly as many things that I pulled out. So we will clean it out another night this week or lunch. Dinner tonight is leftover pizza and a salad. For the first week of May, we did do barbecue. I did the empanadas. It wasn't on my menu, but I made some Greek farro bowls. We did not have the baked potatoes or the steaks. We did do plenty of leftovers, and we did do pizza and then leftovers with pizza. Soup I did not make. Now for the expenses, for groceries, we spent $105.50. And for eating out, we spent $200.89 for a grand total of $306.39 for the first week of May on groceries and eating out. That's my weekly breakdown. What we spent on groceries and eating out, a couple of the meals we had, and if you look on my channel, you'll also see the recipe for that farro bowl. That was very good. We really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and coming along with me. May is looking good so far, and hopefully I can keep it up for the rest of the month. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.